Hey guys, welcome again. Let's quickly run to the next method in translation methods that we have. So the next function that we have in the translation methods is translate. This is the final function that we have. So what the translate method does, so as we have seen in make trans, where we mapped the characters that were or the string that we had uh, in the first parameter. Now what translate does is, yeah, this method uses the translation tables created by make trans uh, and translate all the characters in the string which you pass on one by one to the mapping set table. Yeah. So the translation table input for this method when index performs any of this function. So it can be used to retrieve string or a Unicode ordinal. It maps a character to one or more other characters. It can delete a character from the string retrieved. It raises a lookup error if a character is mapped to itself. You need to note that it works similar to the replace function in a text file. Yeah, so if you remember, we had a replace function. Yeah. So let's quickly understand the syntax. We have seen what it does in our previous mytrans function as well. But let's see some more details on it. So the syntax of mytrans is the string dot translate, and you need to pass on the table, yeah, which you have created through mytrans. Yeah. So table is nothing but the mapping that we have created through mytrans. Yes. So you need to remember this. So let's quickly jump on to some examples on it so that we understand it properly. Uh, so we'll use our previous example, which was of A, E, I, O, U. We'll store this in some table. So let me first copy this code. Yeah. Let me store this in translated string. Yeah. The translated string is equal to this. Okay. Is equal to string. This will create the table. Yes. And we'll use here the translated string, which is the table created to mystrand, to check what is the output. So I'll say print the translated string. So let's see what is the output. Okay, let me see if I missed anything. Oh, I have added more brackets than what is required. See this? So this is the output that has come through translate. So it has replaced the relevant characters in the string. In the table, it has created a table and it has used this table to translate or replace the relevant characters which are available through the table. Yeah. Now we can create a translation table as a dictionary and pass it. Yeah. we can create the translation table as a dictionary, pass it as an argument to the method to to obtain the translated string as values. Yes. So I 1 minute. I just not taking the input. Okay. So we create a translation table as a dictionary. So let me use the same example that we have used earlier. And this. So we have the translated table. You remember we have created this translated table. Yeah. So we'll use this as a dictionary. Let's see what happens. So we use this. I say if this is the translated table string is this. Yeah. So let me have this as a dictionary. Yeah. So I have this translated table as a dictionary, which I have taken the output of the previous one, and we'll try to say create string. Yeah. Welcome to ice can analyze. Yes. And we can run enter. No, this is not something that we want. We use this and we'll run this. Yeah. So see this. So I've used the translation table. Yeah. And I've replaced it. So I have directly used the output that was available. Yes. Lastly, what we can do, another example that we can check is uh, the usage of translate method. We text a string here. So the simple thing that we did, if I have to give you an example, we used a dictionary for here. I'll explain you once again. So suppose I have this number, yeah, as an input, yeah, and I say same thing, the translate string. Yeah, let's see what it does. So here it has replaced 97, which is an A character, with an E character, which is 101. So in a Unicode characters, 97 is represented by A and E is represented by 101. So that's why it has replaced A with E. Yeah, if I would have told if I would have replaced it by 102, it will give me the next character E F. So 102 is F. See this? So it has replaced A with F. So if I want to replace E with F, so E, as you said, is 101. So all E which is available, the smaller E, will be replaced by F. See this? The smaller E's are replaced by F now. Yeah. So this is how you can use Unicode characters as well to translate your string using Unicode to translate the strings. Yes. or yeah, or translate or replace. Hope you understood this concept. I guess you can use it to as a replace method as well. We have seen replace as well, but this is where more specific. Yeah, so you can use it to format your string as and how you want. Yeah. Hope you understood this method. Do like, share, comment on this video if you have any views. Do subscribe to my channel to get such more informative videos and learn Python in more detail. Thank you so much.